ChatGPT's brain. ChatGPT runs on something called a large language model, LLM. It sounds complicated, but don't worry. Let's sort out how it works. Basically, an LLM is like a super smart librarian who has read every book, article, and web page, capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Why large? Because LLMs are trained on massive amounts of data. As a result, by learning patterns and structures in language, they can create coherent and contextually appropriate responses. So ChatGPT doesn't know things. Instead, it predicts words based on patterns in massive text data that it was trained on. Let's see how that feels in practice. Was this response helpful to get you dinner? Not exactly. Yes, it gave me some options. Adding context. Let's try again, but this time make it more specific. Was this answer more useful? But yes, definitely. No, not really. Let's now share additional context to tailor the response even more. See, ChatGPT gave a tailored answer based on the additional details provided. But that's not all. There's another interesting aspect of LLMs like ChatGPT. They keep track of your conversation. ChatGPT knew you meant a vegetarian breakfast in NYC. Why is it so? It made a lucky guess. It remembered the earlier conversation. It searched the internet for context. Moreover, it can even have memory across different chats. But you need GPT-5 Pro with memory enabled. Tip: even with memory on, remind ChatGPT of crucial details regularly, especially when initiating a new chat. It can still forget. Big picture. To conclude, ChatGPT is an LLM, a system trained on massive text that predicts words to answer your prompts. What's next? You've just learned how ChatGPT's brain works. Now, it's time to master it. In this guide, you'll learn these core skills. Prompting techniques that get you exactly what you need. ChatGPT's features, modes, image generation, projects, and custom GPTs that multiply your results. Real-world applications, productivity, research, marketing, communication, and creativity. Along the way, you'll build templates for weekly reports and recurring tasks, custom assistants that remember your preferences forever, systems that turn messy inputs into organized plans. As a result, by the end, you'll know how to use ChatGPT like a professional tool, not just a chatbot. Ready to level up? Let's start with prompting fundamentals.